How to use color correction in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and select the clip you want to color correct in the timeline. Next, go to the Effect menu and search for Color and Image Correction. Here you will find several options such as Color Contrast, Color Correct, Color Levels, and more. Select the option you want to use for color correction in your project and drag it onto the clip in your timeline. For this example, I am choosing Color Balance for my project. Once you drag and drop your preferred color correction effect, you will see various sliders appear. Adjust these sliders to improve or change the colors and overall look of your video. Use the preview window to see real-time changes and tweak the settings until you achieve the desired effect. And that's it. Now you know how to use color correction in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.